Hello and welcome to our vlog.
We're going to Ponyo. Yep, mainit sa Japan. Ayun, Tomonoura.
We're in Tomonoura. Looks like an old
Ito raw na old Japanese fishing village. Yep.
Look at these. Yeah.
Kain muna tayo.
O tara, hanap tayo ng...
Food.
So, hanap muna kami ng kakainan. Kasi...
Hindi kang lumusong mo yun.
Ano pa?
Nasa kakigari.
Yes.
So magkaya ka? Nagkakaya ko. Oo.
Tadaan! Over here. Kape, kulong. This is an ice cream. An ice cream. Cute. Under the sea. Puro cafe. Fumo lemon.
Isa tayo. Ay, naman yung Tomonoura. Okay, what did you get? Ah, sa bottom pin. So, we went here ng Obon, which is nice kasi hindi ganoon ka-crowded yung mga streets. Unfortunately, dahil Obon, marami ring mga shops na closed. Actually, day tour, inspiration nung Ponyong movie mismo. The village itself is
Pretty.
parang siyang throwback sa old fishing villages ni Japan. Pero swerte din na meron ditong site na I think it's their tourist center, no? Yung Tomo Teraso na air condition, tapos may free wifi, and you could walk para magkaroon tayo ng glimpse kung anong expect kay Tomonoura. Pero
If you're in the area.
if you're in Fukuyama, it's still worth the visit.
Ay.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga vlogs namin. Thank you! See you!